When the ASA boots up, of course, assuming it's going to have the code in there running, it's going to have everything, all of the IPs, all of the interfaces are going to be unconfigured. So to make the ASA up and running, to make it up, to put it up and running, you first gotta you're gonna have some mandatory configuration on each interface of the ASA. There's gonna be IP address, name if and security level, and of course then enable the interface via no shutdown command. So as opposed to on regular iOS device, we just put the IP address and then we put no shutdown, the ASA also requires a name if and a security level to be configured. So let's see what is with those two those two new terms. The nameif is, as it states, is the name of the interface. So it's a logical name of each interface, which is going to be used by the ASA to enforce for all policies like ACLs, NAT, VPN, routing, pretty much everything. So as you're going to see on the ASA, when you have to configure routing or access list filtering or NAT or whatever, you're not going to reference the physical interface of the ASA, but a logical nameif of the ASA. Because between those logical nameifs, security policies are being built. And then a security level, it's a number between 0 and 100. You can put also 0 or 100. And it's going to define a default trust level for networks routable in that direction. So each interface is going to have it needs to have a security level, a number in that range, and the higher the number, the higher the trust level. So like if it's going to be a number, for example, if a number 100, a number of 100 is going to be more trusted than a number of 0. So an interface which is going to be assigned a level of 100 is going to be more trusted than an interface which is going to be assigned a level of 0, for example. So based on that number, the ASA knows how trusted is that are the networks which are reachable out in the direction of that specific interface. And you're going to have some default levels as soon as you configure the nameif of the interface. So if the name of the interface is going to be inside, it's going to have a default level of 100 assigned by the ASA, while if the nameif is anything else, it's going to have a level of 0 by default. So of course, inside is you're going to put that nameif of inside if it's going to be facing your trusted, let's say, side of the network. Although as I was saying, nowadays there is no more trusted side of the network.